Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify what payments went to what invoices for your clients. To do this, we're going to begin by going to Reports on the left-hand side of our screen. In the upper right-hand corner, we're just going to use Find by Report Name. What you're looking for is the Invoices and Received Payments report. What I like about this report is you can see the payments in bold, and underneath that you can see the invoice they're linked to. Using the first example, I have a payment happening in March. So I've got March 2nd, payment, $218. Underneath it, it's linked up to an invoice dated for February 15th, invoice number 4617 for $218. The value in this is that allows you to see which invoices got linked to which payments, just in case you need to correct or move them. As I scroll down and I look at this one for Anthony Scott Adams, I can see that he made one payment which covered two invoices. If you want to see what that looks like, I'll go ahead and click on the payment for you. So now you can see the payment, you can see the two invoices are selected, each for their own amount, with the payment of a grand total, $11.14. I hope this video has been helpful. If you'd like to see any other topics covered, please don't hesitate to let me know below. If you'd like help with QuickBooks, I offer one-on-one training as well as self-paced courses. If you'd like someone to help you in a more hands-on capacity, my team and I are available to provide you with bookkeeping services. You can find us at gentlefrog.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.